Welcome to CWDC Vietnam Company, Limited. We are manufacturing so it can give you good products and excellent quality. With the goal of becoming a pioneer in the field of coffee wood chew products, we pay our attention to the best quality as well as customer satisfaction. Coffee harvesting is the picking of only the ripe coffee cherries by hand. Only the ripe cherries are picked, while the unripe cherries are left of the tree, to be reassessed a few weeks later. This process is repeated until all the viable coffee has been picked. It's an extremely labor-intensive method, but there are a few advantages to this harvesting method that help the coffee produced to be as high quality as possible. As only ripe fruit are picked, a lower percentage of unripes in the harvested coffee leads to higher prices for producers. When coffee is picked by hand, trees are able to be planted in steep slopes, easily navigated by humans but not so much by machines, leading to more efficient use of other land for farming. This is also the time of year when CWDC Vietnam focuses on purchasing a large amounts of coffee wood for the coming year in order to service domestic and international partners at the end of 2022 and the whole year 2023. About 50% of the total coffee trees planted in Vietnam are from 10 to 15 years old, which offers the highest yield. In the coming years, Vietnamese coffee production will mainly rely on these trees. Nearly 30% of other coffee trees are between 15 and 20 years old, and about 20% over 20 years old, which means productivity cannot be guaranteed. Coffee wood chew toys for dogs from CWDC Vietnam are sourced in a sustainable way where only coffee trees over 20 years old, with low coffee bean yield are cut down to plant new young coffee trees. Therefore, it have no danger to the natural ecosystem. Furthermore, the extraction of old branches of coffee trees also increases their yield and the ability to produce seeds. CWDC Vietnam sees that the local production conditions are appropriate and is in close contact with the small-scale farmers and their families. The recycling of residual wood which would otherwise be disposed of as garbage fully utilizes the life cycle of the coffee trees and protects natural landscapes from being cleared. Instead of being cut off, hard coffee branches are used to make a chew toy for dogs. This wood is the best wood for dogs to chew since it contains 0% of artificial ingredients or caffeine. Our production area is located in Gia Lai Province, Central Highlands of Vietnam. Our raw material is 100% old coffee trees, therefore our business is sustainable, not harming the environment and farming. As a local manufacturer, we believe and hope this sustainable product will be more widely accepted in the international arena. Coffee wood is normally collected from November to March next year, during the sunny season. CWDC Vietnam is currently planning to buy 200 tons of coffee wood trees over 20 years old in order to meet our 2023 business objective. Old coffee trees after being cut down should be stored in the warehouse, not to be exposed to rains which could make wood moldy. Sun drying is used for coffee wood in the sunny season to a proper moisture content, 15%, before production. Coffee wood will be cut into different sizes, remove bark of wood, polish surface and two ends of wood sticks. Coffee wood chew sticks for dogs from CWDC Vietnam help strengthen dog jaws muscles and reduce stress. Natural fibers from coffee chew act as dental flosses that remove tartar and plaque buildup on dogs' teeth. Coffee wood chew toys have natural aroma which attract dogs and bring them the excited feeling during chew. They are very unlikely to splinter, so there is no need to worry that they will interfere with your dog's digestion or cause choking. Natural coffee wood chew toys from CWDC Vietnam are a great way to keep your dog entertained, content, and safe. While you're working, look for a long-lasting chew to keep your dog occupied. The chew may not take up all of their free time, but it should provide them with something to concentrate on for a brief time. At CWDC Vietnam, we constantly research products, improve technology and systems. Since then, we soon built a production process, international standards for coffee wood chew toys to meet the needs of consumers and interested parties around the world. Our company strongly complies with strict adherence to the highest standards of quality, timely delivery, keeps the stock safely in its warehouses. To make sure buyers are confident with the products, our company keeps its priority for quality of its export products and in an independent quality control strives to meet buyers' requirements. CWDC Vietnam has seen a growing demand coffee wood chew toys for dogs from major importing countries such as USA, Canada, Europe, Korea and others through the recent meetings with our potential customers. We targets to sustain the established business connections and partnerships with the potential importers worldwide. Our mission is to maintain sustainable operations to be an efficient business at all times working with different coffee farms owners. to become the most reliable and market-oriented coffee wood dog chew toys supplier in Vietnam. Our primary goal has created an opportunity to work directly with the smallholder coffee-producing farmers and suppliers so as to be benefited from the company's export revenues, since the company has corporate social responsibility operations in the region, and also the investment has created a job for the youth to work in our facility for the betterment of their livelihood, particularly for women in the area. Making farmers' lives better, changing the community's life, generating long-term revenue for farmers, providing jobs for disadvantaged individuals, and contributing to the local society. We are committed to always bring to our customers the best coffee wood chews for dogs with high discounts, reasonable prices and many other attractive incentives. Come to CWDC Vietnam, and we'll provide you with the greatest coffee wood chews that your dogs will like. These chews are fresh from your dog's imagination. We have been catering to a wide variety of audiences worldwide. Our customers include a few pinnacle companies. Please do not hesitate to contact us anytime if you want more information. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next videos. Thanks for watching the video.